As metalworking grows in popularity among DIYers, professionals, and hobbyists, metal cutting bandsaws are becoming essential workshop tools. Users value precise, clean cuts, much like typists and gamers value responsive equipment, making build quality, switch type, cutting layout, and overall value critical.
List number 1. Vievor Portable Bandsaw. The Vievor Portable Bandsaw is one of the strongest all-around performers in the portable metal cutting category, built for users who demand power, precision, and reliability. This model is equipped with a robust 10-amp motor that delivers consistent cutting performance across a variety of metals: steel, iron, copper, and aluminum, as well as PVC and plastics. Its cutting depth, typically around 5 inches depending on blade configuration, makes it suitable for medium to heavy applications, including conduit, rebar, pipe, and square tubing. The saw's ergonomic design includes a comfortable soft grip handle and a balanced weight distribution that reduces user fatigue, particularly during long cutting sessions. Variable speed control lets you tailor blade speed to the density and hardness of the material, slower for hardened steel, faster for aluminum or PVC, ensuring cleaner cuts and extended blade life. Durability is another strength. Its aluminum alloy frame and stainless steel components provide excellent structural stability and vibration resistance. Users also appreciate its spark-free cutting, which makes it safer and cleaner for indoor or confined workspace use. Some limitations include its corded design, which restricts mobility, and a slightly heavier profile compared to ultra-compact models. But if consistency, smooth cutting performance, and versatility are your priorities, the Vievor Portable Bandsaw offers outstanding value for metalworkers and contractors needing dependable cutting power in a portable package.
List number 2. KFMK-10A Variable Speed Metal Bandsaw. The KFMK-10A Variable Speed Metal Bandsaw is designed for users who want a powerful, adaptable, and easy-to-use cutting tool at an affordable price. Featuring a reliable 10-amp motor, this saw delivers enough torque to slice through steel pipes, conduit, threaded rods, angle iron, and various other metal structures, with clean, smooth results. Its variable speed function, usually ranging from low to high RPM depending on the material, allows precise adjustments based on thickness and composition. Ergonomically, the KFMK bandsaw includes a well-balanced handle that enhances grip security and stability. This is crucial when working with thicker metal shapes or making overhead or awkward cuts. Blade tracking is stable, helping reduce wobble and improving cutting accuracy. One highlight of the KFMK model is its versatility. It's lightweight enough for one-handed operation, but powerful enough for professional use in fabrication shops, construction sites, plumbing, automotive repair, and general metalwork. Its compact size also allows users to maneuver confidently into tight spaces where larger saws can't reach.
List number 3. Vievor Portable Bandsaw, 5-inch cutting capacity corded bandsaw. The Vievor 5-inch cutting capacity corded bandsaw is ideal for users who need a deep-cut metal cutting tool with dependable power and smooth operation. Built with a rugged 10-amp motor, this bandsaw delivers enough torque for heavy-duty metal cutting, R-bar, pipe, angle iron, cast aluminum, stainless tubing, and more. The wide 5-inch cutting capacity makes it suitable for demanding tasks that require deeper or broader cuts than smaller models can handle. One of its standout features is the variable speed adjustment, which lets users fine-tune cutting speed to match the hardness of the material. This not only enhances accuracy, but also helps prolong the lifespan of both the blade and the motor. Its spark-free cutting action provides a cleaner, safer working environment, essential for indoor workshops or storerooms.
List number 4. Anvil Portable Bandsaw with upgraded removable alloy steel base. The Anvil Portable Bandsaw stands out as a versatile, budget-friendly option thanks to its upgraded removable alloy steel base and multi-angle cutting capability. This feature-rich model offers both handheld and stationary use, making it ideal for users who need flexibility, cutting pipe freehand one moment and switching to table-guided cuts the next. With its sturdy motor, the Anvil saw easily cuts through steel, aluminum, copper, rebar, and PVC. One major advantage is the adjustable cutting base, which supports angled cuts and improves precision, especially for repetitive cuts. The removable base transitions the saw between handheld and benchtop mode within seconds. This dual-purpose design significantly increases work efficiency for welders, electricians, plumbers, and DIY hobbyists. Ergonomics are also well considered. A comfortable grip and balanced frame reduce fatigue during prolonged sessions. The blade tracking system is stable and ensures straighter, cleaner cuts. The saw's safety features, such as blade guards and an insulated handle, add extra protection during operation.
List number 5. Maxed bandsaw with table saw. The maxed bandsaw with table saw stands out as a multi-purpose metal cutting solution that combines the functionality of a portable bandsaw with the stability of an integrated table. This hybrid design gives users the freedom to switch between handheld cutting and stationary bench-style cutting, making it ideal for shops that handle a wide variety of metalworking tasks. Its powerful motor provides ample torque for metal pipes, rods, square tubing, and steel beams. The included table adds a huge advantage. It supports controlled cuts, repetitive angles, and precision shaping, capabilities that handheld-only saws often lack. This transforms the maxed model into a mini workstation, suitable for fabricators, wood-metal craft makers, and mechanics who need detailed control. In handheld mode, users still benefit from a well-balanced build, ergonomic handle, and smooth blade tracking. The variable speed system allows fine control over cutting pace, ensuring that softer metals aren't overheated and harder metals are cut slowly and accurately.